here from Germantown, Maryland, like right by my mother's building, like at a senior housing. Yeah, it's like a water fountain, you know, like right by like a little fish pond, like with 3 goldfish here swimming in the pond, and I love like watching that, you know, like with the backdrop of the waterfall while I am listening to them, you know, and they even like plant like some like daffodils, you know, like they even though, you know, like they are spent by now, you know, like and here is Chris. Yeah, and I am so like I'm grateful for the opportunity to like be here, and whenever we come back from our walks, we stop by here to watch the fish by the water fountain. Thank you.